Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be throwing like some little wine curls, well some fat wine curls in this hair. My goal is to get like a really natural hair look. So what I just sprayed on it was like some wig shine. It works really good. And I'm just gonna start with the back section and I'm going to brush it out, and then I'm gonna start off by wanding the hair. And I'm just going to twist it down the curling wand. This is a Remington curling wand. I've had it forever, so they last very long. And this is how your curls should be looking. And I'm curling it in like fat sections so that the hair will be like thick. Because the hair is actually thin, so if I curl it like big curls, it will kind of make it look like it has more volume to it. Okay, so let me tell y'all about this wig. This is the wig that I got from ATOZ Wig. They sent me this wig to review. I have done several videos on this hair. I've highlighted it, I've bleached the frontal, and I think I did some more curls on it. Yeah, so I did a lot with it. So I really like this wig, and I like how versatile it is. And you see the curls are coming out really nice for you, girl. Okay, so now I'm all done and this is how it's looking. And I'm just gonna pull the curls apart just to fluff it up a little bit, make it a little more fluffier and more I guess perfect like. And this is how it turned out, y'all. It looks so natural, so nice. What wig, sis? What wig? Let me know if y'all like it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.